Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. So today is another plan with me video. This one is my wellness section, so my meal planner. I pulled out a couple books from recollections because I haven't been using them as much, so this week I've been kind of using them. So I found this book called Camping, which I think like end of summer, beginning of fall is perfect. The weather is like perfection for camping. It's no longer too hot. It's beautiful still. There's lots of sunshine. So I thought I'm gonna make this scene of camping in my meal planner and go from there. I'm not going camping this week. Like don't think I do because I made the spread, but I figured that this would be something fun. Anyhow, if this is your first time in my channel, welcome. I really hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're choosing to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate you, and I hope you guys enjoy the spread and many spreads to come. But nevertheless, let's get back into it. So I'm gonna put another tent into here with a bike. I think that's kind of fun and a little bit different. So I'm creating kind of like this scene with the trees and like tents and stuff and a little camping ground. So I thought that might be kind of fun. I even put a little mushroom in there. Isn't that so cute? But this book has so many possibilities. It's kind of insane how many spreads you could make with this camping book. And if you are a camper and you don't have it, wow, you need this. Like seriously, it is gorgeous. I'm gonna put this night scene with the camp up there, and I'm gonna put camping up here. And let's see, I am going to put another set of trail footprints, and then maybe a couple leaves here and there, and trailblazer right up there. Okay, and let's add some leaves floating around in the wind, just like so, and then go wild. And then I wanted to use these tiny little squares and put them in corners of my meal prep or meal plan. I thought that would be kind of fun. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and do like all of these little ones and just spread them all around. I think that's a lot of fun. Like look at the variety of these. Holy smokes, right? Like there's so many. So I'm spreading them around and having a little bit of fun with those. And then I'm gonna go ahead and meal plan with all of you like always. So almost there, not quite, but almost. Couple more. Okay, maybe like 2-3 more. Let's see. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my cheat sheet as always, and we're gonna go ahead and meal plan. So on Monday, I'm gonna go ahead and start with breakfast as always. So I'm just gonna make it quick and easy on myself and do oatmeal, and then maybe some hard-boiled eggs, and then maybe some pancakes. And maybe the pancakes will be with like caramelized apples or something because it is fall. Okay, and then acai bowl on Thursday. I do enjoy those a lot. I actually love making them pretty. Breakfast skillet on Friday. Maybe like an omelet on Saturday. And then breakfast tacos. You can never go wrong with those. So. And that's the breakfast for the week. Now we're gonna go ahead and do lunches. And for lunches, I usually do prefer like a salad or a sandwich. So on Monday, I'm gonna have a summer Asian slaw, which I like a lot, and then pasta with basil on Tuesday. I'm gonna do some caprese salad with like a balsamic glaze, I think. Those are so good. And then I really like my grilled potato salad. So it's basically like a Caesar, and then I tossed some quartered grilled potatoes. It's so yummy. And then summer corn salad, a wrap, and then let's plan some dinner. So ground turkey meatballs are always a good choice and pretty healthy, right? I'm gonna make stir fry on Tuesday. I think that's a good choice as well. Pad thai on Wednesday. It's gonna be so delicious. I can't wait. Chicken tikka marsala on Thursday. That's one of my go-tos. I really like that meal. It is so flavorful and so quick and easy. On Friday we can do fajitas. Maybe I can do like shrimp fajitas or something like that. Korean barbecue. And then slow cooker chicken thighs on Sunday, which I am going to make them pretty much for lunch on Monday because we are going out on Sunday. So that's where I am with that. Let's pop this back in. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my wellness section. So this is my wellness planner called Listen to Your Heart. This is the wellness layout, and I'm gonna use the same book because again, like I said, there's so many stickers in this book that I could use that I figured that might as well just use it in this one kind of setting. So I'm gonna add some really pretty things to it, I think. At least I think so. This sticker book is like so cool, and it has such a different colors that I really enjoy it. Like, look at these stickers, they're so different, right? Wild Explore, I think that looks good. I'm gonna add like that little pocket knife and a couple leaves because I think that's perfect. So the lantern. Then I'm gonna add another tent up here, and this was kind of cool because I don't know if you've ever seen recollection stickers, but they made this like almost like a glittery surface on some of the stickers, and it's so bright and beautiful. So I'm gonna put some stars down. I know they're hard to see because they're extremely pale, but that's what I'm pretty much doing. So I'm just adding Starry Night right above that. So I'm kind of making a mishmash of things in here, and I don't care because I really like this theme this time around. I think this is a fun way to fill a spread and think about outdoors. So I'm gonna add this beautiful sunset. There's like no rhyme or reason to my stickers this week, but hey, sometimes that's how it goes. So camp more, worry less, leave the road, take a hike, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take all these little things like little campers and all these little icons that they have. I'm gonna take a few of each, like these. Are you seeing how cute they are? I'm gonna start like putting them all over the place like this because I think that might be pretty good. I really like how this looks, like a lot. Little tent, and I'm gonna kind of spread them all around so the spread looks quite filled. And if I write in it, or when I write in it, because I haven't missed a planning day in a long time, which I'm pretty proud of, I can go ahead and fill it up. So I know that my planner is quite far from perfect, but that's because I write on the go all the time. I will write in the morning, but I will also write on the go. I have no problem doing that because I want my planner to be quite functional. So I would like to be like some of the other planners and be super perfect, but I can't do that to myself because that's just not how I function. But that's why my planner looks the way it looks sometimes, and that's okay. But I use it every single day. And with that, I have renamed those categories into Mads and Steps and Sleep and Mood, and we are all set. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you guys had fun creating this with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye!